Hey beauties, welcome back to Locks, your go-to spot for the latest and trendiest hairstyles. If you are looking for a gorgeous, protective and easy to maintain hairstyles, this channel is for you. So today we are showcasing beautiful twist braid hairstyle for ladies that you must try out this year. Whether you love passion twists, Senegalese twists, Marley twists or Havana twists, this video got you covered. Twist braids are not only stylish, but they are a protective and versatile style. They help retain moisture, prevent hair breakage, and are easy to maintain. So here are some of the most beautiful twist braid hairstyles trending right now. Passion twists. This soft, coily twist gives you a relaxed boho chic vibe. This twist braid is perfect for any occasion. Senegalese twists, a sleek and elegant option. This style is ideal for both casual and formal settings. The Marley twist is perfect for a natural and voluminous look, blending seamlessly with kinky hair textures. Havana twists, a bold, chunky twist style that adds drama and beauty to your overall look. We have the spring twists, lightweight, bouncy, and perfect for ladies who love a playful yet elegant style. One of the best things about twist braids is their versatility. You can style them in high buns, ponytails, half up, half down styles, or let them flow naturally. Plus, adding accessories like beads or gold cuffs or colored extensions can take your twist braids to the next level. And guess what? These styles can last up to 4 to 8 weeks with proper care. Just remember to always moisturize your scalp, wear a satin bonnet at night, and avoid excessive tension on your edges to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing hairstyle inspirations. See you in the next video.